We're back to explore yet another exciting feature of QuickAds.ai. This time, it's all about creating stunning image ads using the AI Photoshoot feature. In our previous video, we created ads for a brand. Let's get started. First, we have a few simple steps to follow to use this feature. To begin, we need to input a description of the image we want AI to create. For this demo, I'll use a prompt for the Nike brand next. I'm going to select the image size. I'll go with the Facebook post size, which is 980 by 788 pixels. Now that everything's set, let's generate the image. Here we have the result. And I can say it's almost exactly what I had in mind. Quick, seamless, and nearly perfect. With the AI Photoshoot feature, creating high-quality, brand-ready images has never been easier. Try it out